This is John Keith, the memory trainer, with
Dr. Joe Pons, and we're at the Florida Realtors Convention 2013 in Orlando, Florida.
And we're just talking about memory myths, and Dr. Joe has a couple of good concepts to share with you.
Well, one thing, one myth, I should say, is that there's a secret to a good memory. People want to know if there is a key or if there's something a pill that they could take, that will give them a good memory. And actually, there is no such thing. There are a lot of products out that you can take, supposedly some drinks and so forth, and some foods that you can eat. But foods will enhance memory anyway, simply because it makes you healthy. And anything that gives you a healthy body will give you a healthy mind. It's as simple as that. But there's no such thing as a secret. One thing that you can learn, or one thing that you can perhaps take by way of food that will cause you to improve your memory. It's just not so. So if you want to improve your memory, you need to take a memory course or find good or great memory instructors, those who will sit down with you and those who can teach you above all, not just give you information, but can also teach or train you to improve your memory.
Also, I always kid around in my classes, I never seen anyone take a pill and go into a class and memorize 25 or 30 names. But I've seen students in the memory college go out and do the same thing without a pill, with only training. So you got to be careful. Not too many things out there will improve memory. Just be healthy, and that's what you really need to be learned or to do, is to get healthy and use our method of memory or any other method, but we'll prejudice because I think our method is one of the best. So use a method, be healthy, and keep remembering. And we'll see you at the next show. John Keith, the memory trainer, and Dr. Joe Pons of the Memory College. Thank you so very much.